Hey, we're back with the 11 orders vlog. This is day 10. Now, let's catch you up to what you missed. For a very quick day 9 recap, I listed out all of the orders that I have left over, and I also did some sketches of the heavy hitter bomber cardigan and made sure I confirmed the picture with the client so that she could see what it was going to look like. Here's everything that I did in day 9. Let's jump to day 10.
Hi. Today is a very emotional day, but I am pushing through. It's 10:42 in the morning. I have some meetings and then I have a dental appointment. So in between those things, I am going to be working on orders. I acknowledged in the beginning of this that there would be times where I'm not always at 100%, and that, being at 100%, you don't have to operate at 100% of the time. You're allowed to feel, your feelings or whatever it is, and, keep trucking along. So that's what I'm choosing to do. And this is why I love crocheting more than any other thing, is because even in moments of mixed emotions, sad emotions, happy emotions, whatever, it's still going to be the thing that soothes, and the thing that settles, and you still get to feel rewarded. You still get to experience reward, that serotonin, I think they call it. So you can have a bad day and you can finish an entire big old extra big knit skein of yarn and have a finished product, or have the progress towards a finished product, and that feels good. And so that's what I'm leaning into today. You can't really see this. Let me see if I can get you a better angle. There we go. So this is how I'm working on this. I'm rolling it and rolling it back in the opposite direction. But yeah, day 9 didn't work out, and I'm not going to force a square through a circle hole. It's not working. And the fact that the audio didn't record was so frustrating, because I didn't even know it, and I know to check my videos before I keep going. But it's all a learning process. I'm very excited you all are here. Calculated last night, we still have 8 orders, but we've completed 7. I know that does not equal 11, it equals 15. But that's a part of the business sometimes, that if you don't plan ahead and communicate to people hey, any orders after today are going to be, any orders after this moment are going to be, they have to wait until the next month. When you don't communicate that, you can communicate it, but the people that got orders from me, they all called me, texted me, emailed me, and said, hey, will this be able to be done by Christmas? And I'm not killing myself to get these things done. I can handle the amount of orders that I have, and I'm capable of completing the amount of orders that I have, and my speed and my efficiency and all of those things are what has made my business very successful. So that part isn't the point. I think the point is that you have to, you live and you learn, you make mistakes, but you roll with it. But for the folks that spent their money, who are looking for a gift or looking to, give a gift, they're going to get the things that they purchased. And I'm able to do that. I am able to do that. And I'm happy to do that because I love what I do, and I love that I've been able to do it successfully for the past 4 years. Yeah, because we're like 3 weeks away. They were like, next week is our 1 year anniversary, or our 4-year anniversary of this business being a slow growing success. And I'm only getting better, and I'm just going to keep getting better. Yeah. So yeah, that's the video for right now. I'm going to keep working on this. Got my meeting at 11, which is in the next 11 minutes. I'm going to try to get an assignment done. Yay! I'm going to try to get an assignment done. Wait, let me get you the other side. This is 1 cake for this lady's cardigan, and it's going to go all the way around. It's going to go around her entire body. So I'm going to close it, fold it in half, fold it in 3s, and this is the bottom of it. Yeah, I'm doing it in a new way, but I think it's going to be a way that allows us to be able to make these for folks that are plus size, without having like bulking or, not being able to close it. I think this is going to be a way that's going to allow inclusivity for everyone. So yeah, this looks really good. This looks really, really good. Now my concern is if I have enough yarn, because this is only like 5 inches. Let's see how many inches it is while we're here. Hold on. Got my measuring tape. This is 12 inches. And I think I need 50. Yeah, I need another cake. I might need 2 more cakes. So my goal today before I go to the dentist at 3 o'clock is to see if I can find 2 more cakes of this in a store, or if I can get it mailed to me before the end of this week. So that's what I'm going to work on right now instead of doing anything else. And yeah, I sent a picture of all the stuff that I worked on yesterday, which I got a lot done. I just have to keep going, and that's what I'm going to do. Thank you all for watching. We got another, I don't know if I'm going to be able to say anything after the dentist, so you might just get some videos of me crocheting, because that's what I'll be doing today after the dentist and grading. But yeah, shout out to Tupac. All right, have a good day.
So just coming home after the dentist, I stopped by Trader Joe's to get food that doesn't require me to chew. There wasn't that many options, but I figured it out. I grabbed myself some flowers because that really sucked and I deserve them. The rest of my evening, I'm really just crocheting, and I did have book club. Book club was amazing. Shout out to the book babes. But yeah, I'm just gonna crochet and go to bed early. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And the pep talk is real. Like, only do what you can. Bye.